This could be the car for you. The 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this feature-rich C300 sedan. Agile, refined, and equipped with multiple driving modes, this elegantly engineered luxury compact brings crisp style along on every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Sophistication feels like this superlative C-Class. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.